Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading on the BingX exchange. If you're looking to maximize your trading potential with a user-friendly platform, you're in the right place. BingX is a global cryptocurrency exchange that stands out for its innovative features, competitive trading fees, and an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, BingX has something to offer everyone. With its powerful trading tools and intuitive interface, you can easily manage your portfolio and execute trades with confidence. One of the key advantages of using BingX is its high liquidity. This means you can execute your trades quickly without significant price slippage. Plus, BingX offers advanced charting tools and indicators that help you analyze market trends and make informed decisions. And let's not forget the futures trading feature, which allows you to take advantage of both rising and falling markets. To enhance your experience on BingX, don't forget to use my referral code, CHUCHU. By doing so, you'll not only support our channel, Crypto Kickstart, but you'll also unlock exclusive benefits. Using the referral code, CHUCHU, can grant you access to special promotions, reduced fees, and bonuses that are only available to our viewers. It's a fantastic way to get more out of your trading experience. Additionally, BingX prioritizes security, ensuring your digital assets remain safe with advanced encryption measures and multi-factor authentication. So you can trade with peace of mind, knowing that your funds are well protected. Get started today by signing up for BingX. Use the referral code CHUCHU to enjoy all the fantastic perks that come along with it. Don't miss this opportunity to join a vibrant trading community and explore the endless possibilities of cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for watching Crypto Kickstart. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights and tips to kickstart your crypto adventure. Happy trading!